can start. Just want to teach about welding process. First of all, what is welding process? A welding process is a process of joining two metals or material by use of heat or fission. Types of welding process. We have plastic welding process and fission welding process. This plastic welding process is a process whereby it's a type of welding whereby when a piece of metal to be joined are heated to a plastic state and forced together by external pressure. While fusion welding or non-pressure welding process are types of welding whereby material to be joined is heated to a molten state and allowed to solidify, e.g. gas welding and arc welding. Class, let us look at the classification of welding process. The welding process can be classified on the basis of 1. Sources of heat, e.g. flame or arc, and 2 is types of direction, e.g. fission welding. In general, the following are a classification of welding process. We have number 1 is gas welding, where example e.g. oxyacetylene gas welding, 2 hydrogen gas welding, and lastly pressure gas welding. Number 2 we have arc welding. Example of arc welding are submerged welding, thick welding, MIG welding, and shield method arc welding. Number 3 we have resistance welding. Example are spot welding, projection welding, and distance bar welding. Let us look at advantage and disadvantage. Advantage, disadvantage, and application of welding process. First, let's look at the advantage of welding process. We have one advantage is welding equipment are not expensive. Another advantage, the equipment are portable and are readily available. Another advantage, welding can be mechanized. Lastly, is welding is very strong compared to other types of joint. Let us look at the disadvantage. The disadvantage number 1, welding joint requires stress relief heat treatment. Disadvantage number 2, welding heat produces metallurgical changes. And lastly, welding keeps harmful radiation that affect eyes. Let's look at the application of welding process. It is used in automobile construction. It's also used in construction of bridges and building. And lastly, it is used in industries. That's the end of the topic.